Today, we'll visit one of the popular dessert restaurants here in Quezon City. If you want a healthy and diet dessert, try nyo na ang Your Frost, and that is located in Manawi Avenue, Quezon City. The store is between Chicken Charlie and Javino's Japanese Donuts. Your Frost offers different desserts that are all made of yogurts. Once you get inside, ang unang mapapansin ninyo na nakalagay sa rolling store ay yung mga benefits why yogurt is good for the health. Kaya talaga namang may hikayat kumain dito. And the place has very relaxing environment, perfect pagtatanggal ng stress. And they offer ice cream, shake, cookies, and lahat ng yan ay may halong yogurt. Ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Tara, at tikman natin.
May niya, kiwi, sudeng, fern, mango, or kaya steak, almonds, steak, and sudeng. Then, meron kami tawag na chocolate gummy rice banana, and coconut.
Magkano naman per tao?
Per toppings po, ako namin plus 2 pesos. 2 toppings plus 30, 2 toppings plus 40 pesos. Adult siya, pipili na lang kayo kung anong size.
Puro yogurt lang po kayo.
Meron kaming flavored yogurt. Flavored yogurt namin, strawberry yogurt din, tsaka flavor.
Magkaiba yun. Yogurt.
What size po?
Regular yogurt.
Okay, what tapos?
Isang cheesecake, tsaka one almond, tsaka strawberry. Bukod sa yogurt, ano pang ma-recommend mo na orderin namin?
Meron bago eh. Combination siya ng yogurt tsaka ng cookies. Meron kaming grilled almond fruity, the Blue Monster, brownie butter fruity. Then meron kaming bago, berry velvet tsaka peanut butter kisses.
Okay, sige, isang one brownie butter.
Okay, one brownie butter. Ayun na, meron kaming mga tables. Meron kaming nachos, onion rings, and masarap.
Okay, isang cheesy pickle.
Okay, isang cheesy pickle and nachos. Okay.
Okay siya. Malutong, saka lasang-lasa mo yung pinaka, niya, mayonnaise, something. Differently, tsura pa lang niya, masarap na siya. Pero tingnan pa rin natin. Lasang yogurt, pero siguro yung nagpaiba lang dito yung mga toppings. Yung toppings niya talagang kakaiba yung lasa. Ayun. Let's try the brownie butter Yung yogurt niya creamy, pero malalasaan mo yung tastiness, saka yung saltiness ng yogurt, saka yung brownie. Nilalapit ko naman ganun yan eh. Sa panga, wait lang.